What are hyperparameters in the context of artificial intelligence, and specifically in the subfield of machine learning? Let's start with a real-world analogy, and specifically the way learning works in the world of humans. If we want to teach a kid a particular task, for example, how to read, write, draw, or play a music instrument, we need to provide the set of rules governing the subject, a set of examples and some instructions on how to practice the learning material in order for it to be transformed into knowledge and skills. There are two important parts in the learning process. The part where the student or learner goes through the training material, tries to make sense of it, and practices in order to solidify the concepts. The other important part is the one where the teacher sets up and controls the learning environment and process. For example, the teacher can decide on the number of hours and days required for studying, the amount of material to be studied at a particular day, the number of times a step must be repeated, how the testing takes place, how the student can self-assess his or her progress, and so forth. This last part is the essence of hyperparameters, when we switch from the context of human learning to machine learning. When the machine goes through the learning process, a human supervising this process can configure and tweak or tune certain parameters that control the learning process and environment. These parameters include things such as the size of the training material, the number of times the machine should go over this material, the type of checks it must do in order to assess its progress and level of understanding, and others. We hope this video helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.